Hey, do you want to learn how to use Faceswap in Pikzels AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with Personas feature in Pikzels. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Drag and drop this thumbnail here. Select a face. So just select the face part and click on Personas on the bottom and select your persona that you have created on Pikzels. So I'm going to click here on SB1 and click on Generate, which is going to take in 5 credits. And there you go. We have now face swapped our face on this thumbnail and it looks great. If you want to modify it or make some changes to it, you just need to click here to edit it and draw over what you need changed. For example, I want to draw an airplane and type on the bottom in the prompt field. Let's click on Generate. And it's going to take in 10 credits. And there you go. You can see that it has now added an airplane in our thumbnail, which looks really nice. And just like this, you can add a title and more to your thumbnail.